We'll start. Make yourself comfortable. Keep your back erect, spine erect. Close your eyes. Bring your complete awareness towards your breathing. Inhale. Take the positive energy from surrounding nature. Exhale. Let go of the toxic energy. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the gentle rhythmic sensation. Inhalation, expanding your chest, bulging your abdomen. Exhalation, compressing your chest, sinking your abdomen. Feel the cold and warm rhythmic sensation, as light as a feather. Yes. Gently slow down your breathing. Calm down your mind. Presently bring your awareness, attention. Slowly, gently adapt Namaskar position. Adapt Namaskar posture. All together, we will start our divine journey chanting Omkara. Inhale deeply. Feel the vibration of Omkara. Read and follow the starting prayer. Once again, chant with Omkara. Sahana bhavatu, sahanau bhunaktu, sah viryam karavavahai, tejasvinavaditamastu, ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Feel the vibration of Omkara. Gently inhale, exhale. Releasing your hands, rub your palms. Feel the warmness. Place your palms in front of your face. Gently inhale, exhale. Spreading your palms. Opening your eyes, blinking your eyes. Look at your palms. Observe the beautiful brightness. Gently adapt Namaskar position. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Okay. Today we'll start the session now. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale with a few breaths. Now, if you want to stretch your legs forward, you can stretch your legs forward. We will focus on to practicing neck movement practice. Now sit comfortably. Keep your back erect, spine erect. If you want to stretch your legs, you can stretch your legs forward. If you're finding difficulty holding, otherwise you can sit in Sukhasana, whichever means it is. Place your palms onto your knees. Now slowly, gently bring awareness into your head region. Now practice with the neck movement, forward and backward bending. Slow and gentle movement. Inhale. Look up. Feel the stretch towards the neck. Exhale. Bend down. Chin touching your chest. Inhale. Look up. Exhale. Bend down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last round. Now slowly inhale, exhale. Gently bring your head to the center. Now gently inhale, exhale. Opening your eyes. Please relax. Observe the changes. Feel the lightness. Now slowly, gently. Now we move on to practice with stretching your hands and your neck movement. Okay. If you want, you can hold your legs sitting in Sukhasana, or you can stretch your legs in Dandasana. Read and follow the practice. Start the practice. Breathe in, stretch both hands sideways. Breathe out, place your right palm on your left shoulder and turn your head opposite direction. Breathe in, stretch both hands sideways. Breathe out, place your left palm on your right shoulder and turn towards the left. Breathe in, stretch both hands sideways. Breathe out. Breathe in. Stretch both hands sideways. Breathe out. Head opposite direction. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Last round. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now slowly, gently inhale, stretch your both hands sideways. Inhale, exhale, drop your both hands down. Please observe the changes, feel the lightness into your body movements. Enhance the vibration, flowing, resonating into your whole shoulder region, neck region. Enhance the beautiful stimulation. Feel the cold and warm sensation. Now, with support of your palm onto your knees, now gently do the shoulder rotation. Inhale up, exhale down. Clockwise rotation. Inhale, exhale. Slow and gentle. Inhale, exhale. Same way, anti-clockwise rotation. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly, gently inhale, exhale, release, relax. Feel the lightness into your shoulder joint. Enhance the stimulation. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale. Now if you want, you can stretch your both legs forward, come to Dandasana. Stretch your legs forward. Now slowly, gently to practice ankle stretching and followed by the knee rotation. Bring your legs together, place your both hands at the side. Now we move on to practice with ankle stretching with support of your palm onto your side of your thighs. Now inhale, stretch ankles forward. Exhale, release. Inhale, stretch ankles. Exhale, release. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, release. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, release. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, release. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, release. Slow down. Inhale, exhale, release. Relax. Observe the changes, feel the release. Now next we move on to practice with knee rotation. Now gently with the legs together, place your palms onto your knees. Now slowly, gently practice knee rotation. Now place your fingers at your side of your knee in this position. Do make sure your nails should not be pressed on the side. Rather, the tip of your finger should be touching across your side of your knees. Placing across here, do knee rotation called as patella movement, which is very good, helps in stimulating the nerve system across your knees, radiating towards your toes, thighs, and calf muscles. Gently place your fingers at the side in this position. You should place it this way, sideways. Okay. Don't press your nails, just press it, your fingers, and just rotate. This gives lot of benefit. Helps in relieving any kind of stiffness, helps in stimulating the nadi onto your red region. Slow and gentle. Keep your back erect, spine. Inhale, exhale. Just do the rotation, clockwise rotation. Don't put much pressure, just release. Same way, anti-clockwise rotation. Inhale, exhale. Continue doing for another 10 more rounds. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, feel the complete source. Now slowly inhale, exhale, release. Relax. Now place your palms onto your knees. Observe the changes, feel the lightness. Balance into your knees. Take a few breaths. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale with your legs together. Now you practice with knee folding and leg movement. Just observe how I'm doing. Okay, look here. Now with the hands together at this side. Now inhale, fold your right leg. Just observe. Exhale, down. Inhale, knees facing above. Exhale, drop the right leg down. Inhale, fold the left leg. Exhale, drop the left leg down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Alternative. You need to. While inhalation, hold your leg. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last round. Please relax. Observe the changes into your leg region. Feel the lightness into your lower part of the body, mind. Slowly, gently, with utmost awareness, observation into your breath. Feel the lightness, warmness into your body region. Now, slowly, gently, inhale, exhale. Feel the gentle awareness into your knee region. Okay. Now we move on to practice with tiger breathing. Those who are comfortable sitting in Vajrasana can fold your legs. Otherwise, you can just observe. Careful while folding your legs. Now bring your both legs together, hands at the side. Keep your back erect, spine erect. Now gently inhale, exhale, fold your right leg at your knee. Inhale, exhale, fold your left leg at your knee. Come to Vajrasana. Rest your buttocks in between your heels. Okay. Be careful. Don't strain your knees. Don't put pressure on your knees. Those who are comfortable, sit in Vajrasana. Otherwise, you can directly stand on your knees, but don't put more weight on your knees. Now, keeping your back erect, spine erect. Now, gently inhale, exhale, bend forward from your lower back, move back. Now, gently place one arm distance from the knee, one arm distance in front of the knee, just like a rapid posture with support of your palm. Now, gently inhale, exhale, stand. Stand on your knees. Don't put too much of pressure on your knees. Okay. Place your palms. Put light pressure on your palms on your floor. Now gazing at center. Now start the practice. Inhale. Touch your spine. Look up. Exhale. Bend your spine. Think touching your chest. Inhale. Touch your spine. Look up. Exhale. Bend your spine. Think touching your chest. Inhale, touch your spine, look up. Exhale, bulge your spine, chin touching your chest. Inhale, touch your spine, look up. Exhale, chin touching your chest. Continue for another 5 more rounds. Then we'll do variation. Inhale, exhale. Don't move your body forward, backward, only touch to touch. This is most important for the back. Last round. Now slowly inhale, exhale, come back to the center. Now gently come to Vajrasana. Take a few breaths. Feel the gentle stimulation onto your spine. Now slowly, gently maintain the position. Now gently come back to the same tiger breathing posture. Now we practice with variation, legs stretching, raising. Without raising your hands, just focus onto this. Just observe how I'm doing. Inhale, tuck your spine, look up, and stretch your right leg up. Exhale, drop your right leg down. Same way onto the other side. Inhale, tuck your spine, looking up, raise your left leg up. Feel the stretch. Exhale, down. Inhale, tuck your spine, look up. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale, feel the stretch. Exhale. One more time on the other side. Inhale, stretch. Look up. Exhale. By the spine above. Now inhale, exhale. Gently come back to Vajrasana. Take a few breaths. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly, gently come to Shashankasana stretch. Observe the changes. Feel the gentle stretch with the spine. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale. Now gently come back to Vajrasana. Take a few breaths. Observe the changes in your spine. Now slowly, gently stretch your both legs forward. Dandasana position. Stretch your legs, ankles. Now slowly, gently, all of you lie down in Shavasana. Lie down on your back. Keep your legs apart. Hands at the side. Palm facing above. Close your eyes. Observe the silence. Feel the balance into your body region. Presently bring awareness into your lower part of the body. Complete silence. Observe the beautiful stimulation into your body region. Presently bring awareness into your toes. Relax your toes. Relax your soles. Relax your heels. Relax your ankle joint. Relax your calf muscles. Slowly, gently pull up your kneecaps. Relax your knee joint. Relax your thigh muscles. Slowly, gently compress and squeeze the buttocks. Relax the buttock muscles. Relax the pelvic region, abdominal region, navel region. Relax. Slowly, gently, with utmost observation, feel the cold and warm rhythmic sensation into your whole parts of the body, mind. Feel the gentle rhythmic sensation into your breath. Presently bring awareness into your abdominal region. Inhalation, bulging your abdomen. Exhalation, sinking your abdomen. Inhale, bulge your abdomen. Exhale, sink your abdomen. Feel the cold and warm rhythmic sensation into your body movements. Slowly, gently, with utmost awareness, observation. Feel the lightness into your breath, warmness into your body, mind. Stay tuned to this nature. Slowly, gently, with utmost observation. Presently bring awareness into your throat region, connecting to lower part of the body, abdominal region. Now all together we will chant 3 rounds of Akara chanting. Inhale deeply. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. Feel the wonderful vibration of Akara flowing, emanating, stimulating, resonating. Enhance the beautiful resonance, vibration into your lower part of the body, mind. Slowly, gently, with utmost observation into your breath. Slowly, gently, inhale, exhale, with a gentle smile in your face. Slowly, gently, inhale, exhale. Gently bring your both legs together. Gently stretch your right hand above your head. Gently fold your left leg. Turn towards the right side. Feel the beautiful linear awareness, pointed awareness. Slowly, gently, inhale, exhale with utmost observation. Gently come to sitting position. Slowly, gently, inhale, exhale. Coming to sitting position with support of your palms. Gently come to standing position. Okay. All of you, slowly come to standing position. Come to Sthiti, Tadasana. Gently bring your legs together, hands at the side. Observe the changes. Feel the lightness, balance into your body, mind. Now slowly, gently, now we move on to practice with few of the standing breathing exercise and followed by the asana practice. Now slowly, gently, inhale, exhale with your legs together. Now gently stretch your both hands sideways and place your both hands at your back of your head. In this position, now slowly, gently, in this position, just observe how I am doing. Then read and follow the same. Inhale, stretch your both hands this way. While exhalation, bring your elbows together. Exhale, touch your elbows. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, touch your elbows. Inhale, stretch your both hands like this. See this position. In standing, you need to do this. See, inhale, stretch elbows. Exhale, bring your elbows touching together. Inhale, stretch. Exhale. Inhale, stretch. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale, stretch. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Release. Relax. Drop your hands down. Relax in Shitila Tadasana. Legs apart, hands at the side. Observe the changes. Feel the lightness, warmness into your body, mind. Now, slowly, gently, now we move on to practice. Now we practice it. Hands, ankles, stretching. Now, place your palms on your knees, gazing at center. Now, read and follow the practice with the arms, ankles, stretching. Inhale, stretch your ankles, stretch your hands above your head. Feel the stretch. Exhale, down. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, down. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, down. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, down. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, down. Last round. Feel the stretch completely. Inhale, exhale, slowly, gently drop. Release. Relax. Observe the changes. Feel the lightness into your breath. Now, slowly, gently inhale, exhale. Feel that more stimulation into your hand region and ankle region. Now, slowly, gently inhale, exhale. Place your both palms on your hip. Gently do the rotation. Clockwise rotation followed by anti-clockwise rotation. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slow and gentle movement. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now same way anti-clockwise rotation. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly inhale, exhale, release, relax. Observe the changes, feel the lightness into your breath, feel the balance into your body, mind. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale. Now we move on to practice with Kati Chakrasana position movement. Do it very slow and gentle. This is very good for your upper back and good for your shoulder region and good for the middle back as well. Okay. Just observe and read and follow it carefully. Do it very slowly. Okay. Legs apart, hands at the side. Now you need to stretch your both hands sideways. Inhale, stretch your both hands sideways. Exhale, place one palm on your shoulders and twist slightly. Feel the stretch onto the other side. Inhale, stretch your both hands sideways. Exhale, place one palm on your chest, folded elbows and stretch. Inhale, stretch your both hands sideways. Exhale, stretch, twist. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale, stretch. Now maintain the position. Exhale, place your one palm over here and maintain the position. Feel the twist and maintain. 1, look straight, keep your back erect, spine erect. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, stretch. Exhale, twist to the other side. Do it slowly. Stretch on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, stretch. Switch your both hands sideways. Inhale, exhale, drop your both hands down. Release. Observe the changes. Feel the lightness, warmness into your body, mind. Take a few inhalation, exhalation. Okay. Now we move on to practice Hasana practice. Okay. Which is the one you need to maintain the position. We'll practice with standing Hasana. 2 of the standing Hasana practice. Now slowly, gently bring your legs together, hands at the side. Sthiti Tadasana. Okay. Now we move on to practice with Hasana, Trikonasana movement. Now slowly, gently, you need to come to the leftmost corner. Come to the leftmost corner, Sthiti, legs together, hands at the side. Now we'll focus on to the right hand side. We'll start the practice. Gauge our awareness from toes to head region, head to toes region. Start the practice. 1, inhale, exhale, spread your right leg apart. 1 meter distance, look straight. 2, stretch your both hands sideways. 3, inhale, exhale, bend towards the right side. And try to touch your hand towards the ankle. If comfortable, otherwise, completely side bend and look up. Focus at your thumb. Maintain the posture with normal breathing. Feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly inhale, come back to the position. Stretch your both hands sideways. Slightly bend your right leg at your knee, slightly. Then come to Sthiti Tadasana. Relax in Shitila Tadasana. Legs apart, hands at the side. Take a few breaths. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly, gently come to the rightmost corner. We'll now practice onto the left hand side. Maintain the balance. Okay, Sthiti, Tadasana. 1. Spread your left leg apart. 1 meter distance. 2. Stretch your both hands sideways. 3. Slowly, gently bend towards this side. And for the 4, stretch. Bend towards your best capacity. Don't bend forward, don't bend backwards. Now stretch your right hand up. Focus at your thumb. Maintain the position, normal breathing. Don't strain too much bending. Just do to your best capacity and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now inhale, slowly, gently come back. Now gently bend your left leg at your knee, slightly. Then gently bring your legs together. Relax in Shitila Tadasana. Legs apart, hands at the side. Observe the changes, feel the lightness into your breath. Okay. Gently come to Sthiti. Tadasana. Now we move on to practice with the asana called Samakonasana, which is partial forward bend. Okay. Those who are having severe back pain or finding discomfort, please don't do the practice like that. Otherwise, you can do it, no problem. Do it in a slow and gentle pace, which gives the proper balance and stimulation for your spine and good for your shoulder region. Okay. Those who are comfortable can do the practice. Read and follow the same. Legs together, hands at the side. Start the practice. 1. Stretch your both hands sideways. 2. Turn your palm. 3. Stretch your both hands up, palm facing outwards. Slightly bend back. And 4. Slowly, gently inhale, exhale, partially bend forward. If you want, you can place both palms facing each other. Partially bend and maintain. Look straight. Feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now slowly inhale, gently come to Sthiti. Now if you want, stretch your hands further up, pull down, gently drop your both hands sideways, turn your palm below, gently drop your hands down. Relaxing Shitila Tadasana. Observe the changes. Feel the lightness, warmness into your body, mind. Feel the cold and warm rhythmic sensation into your body region. Now slowly, gently, now we move on to the last asana practice, complementary of forward bending, backward bending, Ardha Chakrasana, backward bending. Read and follow the same. Okay. Legs together, hands at the side. Sthiti. 1. Inhale. Lay your both hands at your back. 2. With support of your palm on your waist region, fingers pointing forward. 3. Inhale, push your buttocks. Further, 4. Bend back. Partially bend back and bring your elbows close. Expand your chest. Maintain the position, normal breathing. This is very good for your chest region, helps in expanding your lungs capacity. Good for the breathing element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maintain, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now slowly inhale, come back to the center. Now inhale, exhale, gently release your hands, drop your hands down. Now gently relax in Shitila Tadasana. Legs apart, hands at the side. Observe the changes. Feel the lightness, warmness into your body, mind. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale with utmost awareness, observation. Feel the lightness into your body. Now slowly, gently come to sitting position. Come to Sthiti, Dandasana. Slowly, gently stretch your legs forward. Relax in Shitila Dandasana. Observe the changes, feel the lightness. Balance into your body, mind. Okay. Now we move on to practice with Hasana practice. Janu Shirshasana. Gently bring your legs together, hands at your side. Come to Sthiti, Dandasana. Now slowly, gently read and follow the practice. Start. 1. Inhale, exhale, fold your left leg. Stretch your right leg forward with support of your palm. 2. Stretch your both hands sideways. 3. Turn your palm. 4. Stretch your hands above your head. Palm facing outwards. 5. Slightly bend back. 6. Slowly, gently bend forward from your lower back, middle back. Do to your best capacity and try to touch your hand towards your toes. Don't bend too much, don't strain. Maintain the position, normal breathing. This is very good for the abdominal region, good for the digestion, good for your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly inhale, stretch your hands above your head. Gently drop your hands sideways. Turn your palm below. Again drop your hands down. Inhale, exhale. Gently release your neck. Take a few breaths. Relax in Shitila Dandasana. Observe the changes. Feel the lightness. Now practice same onto the other side. Legs together, hands at this side. Sthiti. 1. Inhale, exhale, fold your right leg at your knee, sideways. Bend your leg at your side. 2. Stretch your both hands sideways. 3. Turn your palm. 4. Stretch your hands above, palm facing slightly backwards. And 5. Inhale, exhale, bend forward, slow and gentle. Try to touch your hand towards your toes. If comfortable, otherwise no problem. Relaxingly bend forward. Feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now inhale slowly, stretch your hands above your head. Gently inhale, exhale, drop your both hands sideways. Turn your palm below, drop your hands down. Release. Gently stretch your right leg forward. Relaxing Shitila Dandasana. Take a few breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Now we move on to a Hasana practice called Vakrasana. We will do simple twisting in this. This is the most important for your lungs region and good for your chest region, good for your upper back and good for the abdominal region. And another most important is It's very good for the diabetic relevant and all. You can do this practice. Okay. But careful about your lower back and all. Don't do the intense twisting. Do to your best capacity. Okay. Come to Sthiti, Dandasana. Legs together, hands at the side. Read and follow the practice. Okay. First observe how I'm doing, then follow the same. Just observe. First, you need to fold one leg. One, inhale, exhale. Fold your right leg. Place your right heel adjacent to your left knee. Two, now slowly, gently, you need to place both hands at your side. Keep your back erect, spine. Three, stretch your left hand up. Four, slowly, gently twist. Place your left thighs, left elbows across your right knees. With the right palm at your back, supported, feel the stretch and twist. Palm facing outwards. This. Then slowly inhale, stretch, inhale, exhale, come back. Then release your legs. Okay. We will read and follow the practice now. All of you do the practice together. Come to the position, Dandasana, all of you. Sthiti, Dandasana. Read and follow the same, all of you. Don't do it fast, do it very slowly. One, inhale, exhale, fold your right leg. Keep your back erect, spine erect. Two, place your both hands at your back. Three, stretch up, left hand up. Slowly, gently, place your left hand outside. With support of your right palm. Four, twist. Twist your best capacity. Don't strain too much. Feel expansion into your chest region. Feel the gentle twist towards abdominal region. And one, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now gently inhale. Now turn your neck. Now stretch your left hand above. Place your left hand at your back. Now gently stretch your right leg forward. Relaxing Shitala Dandasana. Observe the changes. Feel the lightness, balance into your body. Okay. Now practice same onto the other side. With the legs together, hands at this side. One, inhale, exhale, fold your left leg. Two, place your both hands at your back. Three, stretch your right hand up. Slowly, gently place your right hand outside across your left knee. And four, with support of your left palm, twist. Twist your best capacity. Feel the stretch and twist. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. If you want, you can drop your elbows. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now gently inhale, look straight. Now gently stretch your right hand above. Place your right hand at your back. Gently inhale, exhale, stretch your left leg forward. Now slowly, gently release. Relax. Observe the changes. Feel the lightness into your breath. Balance into your body, mind. Feel the cold and warm rhythmic sensation into your body movements. Now, slowly, gently inhale, exhale. Gently bring your legs together, hands at the side. Now, slowly, gently come to the position Makarasana. We will practice with set of prone practice. Now, gently inhale, exhale, legs together, hands at the side. Inhale, exhale, fold your right leg. Inhale, exhale, fold your left leg. Vajrasana. Keep your back erect, spine erect. Now gently inhale, exhale, bend forward from the lower back, middle back. Now stretch your hands forward, Shashankasana stretch this way. Now with support of your palm, slowly, gently inhale, exhale, stretch your legs back. Now stretch your hands forward, relax in Makarasana. Place your right palm on your left shoulder, left palm on your right shoulder. Spread your legs apart, heels facing each other in this position. Makarasana. This is Makarasana posture. Just like a crocodile posture, maintain. Feel the stretch. Relax. Observe your breath. Feel the silence, balance into your body. Now we move on to practice with the Hasana practice. Bhujangasana practice, maintaining the position for a few seconds. Now gently inhale, exhale, bring your both legs together. Stretch your toes outwards. Now gently stretch your both hands forward, chin touching to the ground. Now read and follow all of you. Slow and gentle movement practice. Okay. One, inhale, place your both hands at your side of your chest. Without lifting your chin, with support of your palms. Two, inhale, look up. Feel the stretch and look up. And maintain the position, normal breathing. Look up completely. Feel the stretch towards the neck. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now inhale, exhale, slowly, gently drop down. Now gently stretch your hands forward, relax in Makarasana. Place your right palm on your left shoulder, left palm on your right shoulder. Observe the changes, feel the lightness. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale. Feel the complete stretch into your spine. Good for your chest region, good for your shoulders, good for your throat region. Now we move on to the next practice, Ardha Shalabhasana, focusing on your leg region. Practice leg movement, alternate leg raising for 5 rounds. Now gently bring your legs together. Now stretch your both hands forward. Now make a right hand fist, make a left hand fist, and place your both hands under your legs. Now slowly, gently, with utmost observation. Now without lifting your chin, you need to focus on your leg raise. Okay, just observe. Inhale, you need to raise your right leg up. Without bending the knees, exhale, down. Inhale, raise your left leg up. Exhale, down. Continue the practice. Inhale, raise your right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, raise your left leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, raise your right leg up. Exhale, down. Don't lift your chin. Inhale, raise your left leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, raise your right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, raise your left leg up. Exhale, down. Last round. Slowly, gently inhale, exhale, release. Observe the changes, feel the lightness. Now gently inhale, exhale, release your hands. Now stretch your hands forward, relax in Makarasana. Place the right palm on your left shoulder, left palm on your right shoulder. Release. Relax. Take a few breaths. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly inhale, exhale, gently bring your legs together. Now gently turn to a side. Now all of you lie down in Shavasana. Lie down at your back. Relax in Shavasana. Okay. Keep your legs apart. Hands at the side. Palm facing above. Close your eyes. Observe the silence. Feel the balance into your body, mind. Feel the cold and warm rhythmic sensation into your breath. Now slowly, gently, now we move on to practice with side leg raising. Okay. Now gently bring your legs together, hands at the side, Sthiti. Now read and follow all of you, slow and gentle practice. Okay. Now stretch your right hand above your head. 1, 2, turn towards this side. This way. Stretch your hands above your head. If you want to fold your elbows, you can fold your elbows this way. Otherwise, you can stretch your hands with support of your palm in front of your chest. Now, slowly, gently, with utmost awareness, observation, read and follow the practice with leg raising. Inhale, raise your leg. Exhale, down. Inhale, raise your leg. Exhale, down. Inhale, raise your leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, rise. Exhale, down. Last round. Inhale, exhale, release, relax. Now slowly inhale, exhale, turn to the side, lie down in Shavasana. Take a few inhalation, exhalation. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale. Now turn to the other side. Now gently raise up one hand above your head, fold your other leg, turn to this side. Now with support, now you practice it like this. With support of your palm in front of your chest. Now practice like this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale, down. Continue. Last round. Slow down. Inhale, exhale, release. Relax. Turn to the side. Relax in Shavasana. Observe the changes. Feel the lightness, balance into your body, mind. Now slowly, gently. Now we move on to practice with lumbar stretch movement. Okay, maintaining the position. Lumbar stretch, maintaining the position. Now slowly inhale, exhale. You need to fold your both legs at your knees in this way. Now stretch up both hands sideways. Now in this position, now spread your legs slightly apart. Okay, maintain this position. You need to spread your legs apart with your legs folded 1 feet distance. Now inhale at the center, just maintain the position. Exhale, bend to the side. Right leg of your knee touching your left ankle and turn your head towards the right side. Feel the stretch and maintain. 1, 2, feel the stretch, maintain. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now slowly inhale, come back to the center with your legs apart, 1 feet distance. Now again inhale, exhale, bend to the other side. Left leg of your knee touching to your right ankle and head opposite direction. Feel the stretch and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now inhale, slowly, gently come back. Now inhale, exhale, gently bring your legs together. Stretch your both legs forward. Relax in Shavasana. Take a few breaths. Inhale, exhale. Okay. Now we move on to the last practice. Ekapada Pavana Muktasana. Last practice we'll do. Then we'll practice with relaxation. Now with support of your palm onto the ground. Inhale, exhale, fold your left leg at your knee. Now stretch. And try to press your calf muscles onto your thigh muscles, pressing onto the abdomen. Now gently raise your other leg up. Feel the stretch and maintain. Press your thighs to the abdomen. Fold your left leg, interlock your left leg. Maintain. Feel the stretch towards the right leg. 1, stretch your right leg up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gently drop your right leg down and maintain this position. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now inhale, exhale, gently release your left leg. Relax. Now practice same onto the other side. With legs together. Now 1, inhale, exhale, fold your right leg. Press your right leg, right thighs onto your abdomen. Now gently raise your left leg up and maintain. Now inhale, exhale, drop your left leg down. Maintain the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, exhale, release. Relax. Observe the changes. Feel the lightness, balance into your body, mind. Feel the cold and warm rhythmic sensation into your breath. Observe the silence, balance into your body. Completely collapsing your whole body onto the floor. Relax. Presently bring awareness into your whole parts of the body, from toes to head region, head to toes region. Relax your toes. Relax your soles. Relax your heels. Relax your ankle joint. Relax your calf muscles. Slowly, gently pull up your kneecaps. Relax your knee joint. Relax your thigh muscles. Slowly, gently compress and squeeze your buttocks. Relax your buttock muscles, pelvic region, abdominal region, navel region. Relax. Relax your lower back. Relax your middle back. Relax your upper back. Relax your thoracic region. Relax your chest region. Inhalation, expanding your chest. Exhalation, compressing your chest. Relax. Relax your shoulder joint. Relax your wrist joint. Close your eyes. Relax your upper back. Relax your elbow joints. Relax your fingers. Slowly, gently spread your fingers slightly apart. Feel the feather-like sensation floating into the air. Relax. Feel the complete silence, lightness, completely collapsing the middle part of the body, mind. Relax your neck muscles, back neck muscles, side neck muscles. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your chin. Relax your cheeks. Relax your lips. Relax your tongue. Relax. Relax your nostril, left nostril, right nostril. Exhalation. Let go out the toxic energy flowing outside the nostril. Inhalation. Take the positive energy flowing into your nostril. Relax. Relax your eyelid. Relax your eyebrows. Relax your forehead region. Relax your ears. Relax your crown of the head, back side of the head, side of the head. Relax. Slowly, gently, with utmost awareness, observation. Feel the cold and warm rhythmic sensation into your whole parts of the body, mind. Slowly, gently, with utmost observation into your breath. Complete silence, balance into your body. Feel the cold and warm rhythmic sensation. Recalling silence in breath. That most observation. Recalling silence in your whole parts of the body and mind. Stay tuned to this nature. Let go all the worries, tensions, stress from the mind, whole parts of the body as like as a feather floating into the air. Yes. Slowly, gently, with utmost observation, feel the lightness into your breath, balance into your body, movements, recalling silence in bliss. Slowly, gently, with utmost awareness, observation, feel the cold and warm rhythmic sensation into your breath. Now, slowly, gently, with utmost awareness, observation into your whole parts of the body and mind. Presently, bring awareness into the throat region, slowly, gently across your whole parts of the body and mind. All together, we will chant one round of loud, long, deep Omkara chanting. Inhale deeply. Feel the wonderful vibration of Omkara. Enhance the beautiful resonance into your body, mind. Slowly, gently, with utmost observation into your breath. Complete silence, balance into your body movements. Enjoy the beautiful vibration, resonance into your body, mind. Slowly, gently, inhale, exhale. Gently bring your both legs together. Bring your both legs together with a gentle smile in your face. Gently stretch your right hand above your head. Fold your left leg. Turn towards the right side. Feel the linear stretch with support of your palm in front of your chest. Slowly, gently come to sitting position. Sit in any comfortable posture. Sukhasana, Siddhasana, Vajrasana. Keep your back erect, spine erect. Observe the silence, feel the balance into your body, mind. Now slowly, gently, with utmost awareness, observation. Now gently adapt Chin Mudra on your both hands. Left hand Chin Mudra, right hand Chin Mudra. With utmost observation. Now all together, we will chant 3 rounds of Nakara chanting. Practice Brahmari. Inhale deeply while exhalation. Place the tip of the tongue on palate. Chant with Nakara. Inhale. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. Feel the wonderful vibration of Nakara flowing, emanating, stimulating, resonating into your head region, tip of the head, crown of the head. Now slowly inhale, exhale with utmost observation. Feel the complete beautiful resonance into your body, mind. Slowly, gently inhale, exhale. Observe the silence, enjoy the stability. Place your palms onto your knees. Now slowly, gently inhale, exhale with utmost awareness into your breath. Release your hands from the mudras. Picturize the beautiful Omkara in your mind. Gently adapt Namaskara position. Enjoying this beautiful divinity. We'll thank our divine journey, chanting Omkara, followed by closing prayer. Inhale deeply. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Feel the vibration of Omkara. Closing prayer. Gently inhale, exhale, releasing your hands. Rub your palms. Feel the warmness, lightness. Place your palms in front of your face. Spreading your palms, opening your eyes, blinking your eyes. Look at your palms. Observe the brightness. Gently adopt Namaskar position. Thank you. Thanks for kind cooperation. Have a nice day. Stay tuned. Take care, all of you. Thank you. Okay. Hope all of you are comfortable.